Hi guys, welcome back to my page. I hope you've learned something new from the first video, part 1. If you have not watched it, please kindly go and watch it. I believe you must have learned something, a new way or a new trick on how to control your students in class so that they will not drive you crazy. So this is part 2. If you've not watched part 1, kindly go and watch it. In this method, I'm going to be using power teaching, okay, which is called whole brain power teaching. Is a very nice method of teaching, especially to catch students' attention, either old or young. Is in fact, you will not regret trying this out. So without wasting much of our time, let's go. And you also go to see more tricks inside. Teaching is very interesting. Let's go. Class.
Yes.
Class.
Yes.
Right now, I'm recording. Do you know why I'm recording?
No.
I'm recording because I'm going to show this video to your parents to tell them how you behave in class. If you are the type that whenever I'm teaching, you're jumping from one seat to another, you're talking, disturbing yourself and others, your parents are going to see it. Would you like your parents to see you jumping around the class?
No.
So you are going to behave yourself right now while I teach. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good job. So can you open to 217? I'm going to draw that for you quickly because some of you said you don't understand it the other day, yes?
Yes, understand.
You understand it? Good job. So now, this is what we're going to do. For those who don't understand, he said the table lists the musical instrument played by learners. Represent this information on a bar chart. So this is what we're going to do. Your parents are watching you. So your parents are watching you how to behave yourself. I need a straight line like this. We're going to start numbering from here, okay? So I'm going to just number from, the highest number is 24, but I'm going to number 2, okay? Here, 0, 2. Can you tell me the other numbers? 4,
6, 8, 10, 20.
So the first name is what? Drum. And the second is what? Piano. And the third? Guitar. And the next? Violin. Could you look at your book and tell me what number is drum?
20.
Ibrahim, can you talk to me? Look at it here. What number is drum?
20.
20. So I'm going to draw this line to what? 20 like this. Do you understand it now?
Yeah.
Good job. Ibrahim, what's the next one?
Piano.
Piano is what? 15, yes? Where is 15? I have 14 and I don't have 15. So 15 is going to be between, yes? So from here like this down. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And the next is what?
24.
24, which is guitar, yes?
Yeah.
And 24 is right here. I'm just going to draw the line from here, 24 down. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You can as well add colors to it. If you like, you can shade it like this to make your work beautiful. Ibrahim, I need a very neat job in your exam, okay?
Okay.
You can color it, you can shade it like this just to make it look beautiful and nice. I hope you understood this.
Yeah.
Who does not understand?
Understand.
Do you understand? Ibrahim, how do you get 20? Because 20 is right there, yes? And you will draw the line to where you have what? 20, yes? Buruj, how do you get 9? Because there is 9 in your book, yes? You see? Half of it is 9. Okay? Is there any question? Do you understand everything?
Yes.
A round of applause for yourself. Guys, watch this trick now. Watch this one. This is the highest. Just see. Back to your seat. I'm going to send this to your parents. Now back to your seat. Back to your seat. If you don't want your mom to see this, back to your seat quickly. 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 Do you want me to send this to your parents? I'm going to delete it right now. So can you sit down quietly?
Yes.
Good boy. You want me to send this to your mom?
No.
Why are you shouting? I told you guys it worked, right? We've come to the end of today's video. I hope you've learned something new today and you've learned a new trick on how to keep your students or your children or your pupils quiet in class so that they will not drive you crazy. It can be so frustrating when students are just moving around and everywhere is so rowdy. So if you've learned something new, please give this video a very big thumbs up. Help us to share this video so that others can also learn, okay? I'm going to be introducing you to part 3 because I'm going to be taking another class, okay? Not the same class, another class, so that you can also see the trick I use for them. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Please ensure to watch all the videos. Share this video, share, and share. Love you.